Hello friends, I am Anil Chaudhary welcoming you to the Gurukul of MSMEs. Friends, today I am in Dar es Salaam in Tanzania. A very big event is going on in the name of Saba Saba here in Dar es Salaam. This is 49th edition of Dar es Salaam International Trade Fair, and this is the largest exhibition in African region. Almost all African countries are participating in this event. Today I'll take you to the virtual tour of Saba Saba. Friends, for entrepreneurs in countries like India, there is a lot of potential to do business to and from country like Tanzania. Tanzania is very good in agriculture, so there is a lot of potential for agro-based and food processing industries to work with Tanzania. Some entrepreneurs are doing agriculture in Tanzania. They have big warehouses in Tanzania. They buy local produce as well as they produce of their own, and they send organic food grains to the entire world. Similarly, industries making daily use items, industries supplying to big industries like power plants, like cement plants, steel plants, etc., etc. The virtual tour I am hereby showing to you is an indication of the type of stalls being set up in this exhibition. Friends, you will see all the items from small electronic components, mechanical components to the big products like automobiles, cranes, excavators, etc. Everything is here. A big range of handicraft items for which country like Tanzania is famous all over the world. The countries like Uganda, Rwanda, Kenya, Mozambique, Namibia, etc. have displayed their products in a big way. From India, Haryana state is participating at a large scale. For your knowledge, Haryana has its own foreign cooperation department, and Haryana is already in touch with Tanzania and other African countries for the last about more than 5 years. Haryana has signed a number of MOUs in the field of higher education, in the field of medical tourism, in the field of skill development, in the field of industrial development, in the field of agriculture and cooperative marketing supply. Many Indians are already working in Tanzania. They are mostly from Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and North India as well. The life and people here is quite slow. So, the people like North Indians have a lot of potential. They can do wonders here. Tanzania, including Zanzibar, has a lot of potential for tourism. Many Indians have hotels here. Many Indians have restaurants here. Many Indians are doing different type of trade in Tanzania. There are many traders also from India marketing their products after buying from India, China, etc. So, I would advise you to at least pay attention to the scope and potential which is available in African countries like Tanzania. Hope you will definitely try to rely upon my advice. I am there to help you. You can send a message to me. Please subscribe, share and like my video. Thank you so much.